Curing hearing loss?
Some people might call it impossible.
At Ear Science Institute Australia,
We call it our future.
At Ear Science Research, we are racing towards this.
We're fighting dementia.
We've created an all-new ear implant.
We're using stem cells to find a cure.
With everything we do,
we are transforming the lives of all people with hearing loss around the world.
But with our research,
the best minds from across the globe travel here.
So the best people are working to create the best outcomes for our projects.
From South Africa.
From Hong Kong.
from Sri Lanka,
From Brazil,
from Iran,
from Malaysia,
from Italy,
from Singapore,
from India,
and across Australia.
We believe that even though you hear with your ears,
you listen with your brain.
How hearing impacts cognition and dementia
Is one of the most topical research areas worldwide.
We know a decrease in someone's ability to process sound
may be a very early warning sign of dementia.
so we have to make a hearing test that investigates more than just hearing.
We know there is a sweet spot in a person's life where the use of a hearing device
Could dramatically reduce your chances of developing dementia later in life.
Now we need to prove it.
with this research,
we could dramatically impact the future lives of people who are in their 50s today.
reducing their future chance of developing dementia.
The reason hearing deteriorates as you get older
Is due to wear and tear of the little hair cells in the inner ear.
that normally transmit the vibrations of sound. As we get older,
these hair cells get damaged.
So we asked ourselves,
Can you reverse the aging process to cure hearing loss?
the answer is
Yes.
through the use of stem cells.
Stem cells are a very special family of cells.
That exists in the body before a person is even born.
They're the basic building block for every cell in the body.
We work with stem cells to coax them into becoming the hair cells of your inner ear.
We're in the lab today
Investigating how to successfully change stem cells into these hair cells.
imagine a future where instead of a hearing aid, you could receive a cochlear hair cell transplant to treat your hearing loss.
This way you would walk out of the clinic with a natural hearing of a newborn baby.
How amazing that would be.
for ear science.
The most important part of our research
Is that it can be translated into real life.
Proof of this is in our ClearDrum invention.
An implantable device to resolve chronic middle ear disease.
For millions of people around the world.
We are taking this idea from the laboratory bench top to hospital bedside.
And proving our research helps people.
Starting with those right here in Perth.
None of this will be possible
Without the Gift of Hearing Appeal community and our donors.
You make it possible for the world's best minds to travel to Perth
To work on these projects so we can get them to patients faster.
By supporting us, you don't just fund research, you fund results.